Let's go! Oh my gosh! Girls over flower. Wow! Guys! Anong tawag? Niyakap si Ate Jo! Ha? Manggang hinog! Manggang hinog!
Sorry po sa mag-e-edit.
Guys, siguro chill!
Wait lang, napagod na ako guys.
Lalaway ako dun sa may floor. On the floor.
Napaka-perfect mo.
Saan hindi mahilig na kanta ang grupong AGs?
Saan hindi mahilig? Mika finds out she got the smallest portion of cake. Mika ha! Mika! Mika! Okay. Bakit parang mas galit ka pa? Wow! Chef powers! Ate Colette felt the power too! And then, Bebe felt it and she shouted, Bigla pumasok si Coach Mickey! Girls! Oh, I told you to rehearse! Come on!